Hi Melissa, this is Michaela. I spoke with you earlier today, and as mentioned, here's just a quick 5-minute video showcasing how to get new leads from your website and go over your overall online presence with you today, okay? To start, I'm going to talk about 3 aspects that Google looks for when ranking websites along their Google platform. And those aspects are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. Let's start with content. This is probably the biggest aspect in organic movement of your website up that Google ladder. And when I say content, I mean anywhere that actual text shows up on your website. So you have a little there and a little here. I'm going to tell you why content is so important to Google, okay? Let's look at an example. Anytime you do a basic Google search, Wikipedia always shows up as the #1 search option. Why is that? It's because it has so much content. Google loves content. So every few weeks it does a sweep of the internet and it finds these content-rich sites and naturally just starts moving them up the rankings. So from doing my research on some of your competitors, I'm going to probably suggest about 1,000 to 1,500 words of text on your homepage alone. This is going to do 2 things for you. It's going to allow us to be found by Google, as well as beat the competition and rank for specific keywords that we want to be found for. With that said, on every additional service page, we typically recommend between 5 and 750 words of content, as well as appropriate keywords for the service offered. So for instance, if we're talking about carpet cleaning, we want to do carpet cleaning Louisville, Kentucky. Tile and grout cleaning Louisville, Kentucky, if you do tile and grout cleaning as well. Disinfecting, upholstery cleaning, rug cleaning, and so forth. Each of those needs to have their own page with about 500 to 700 words of text. Now again, why is this important? Again, for 2 reasons. One, it adds a ton of content to our website. And what do we know about content? Google loves content. So the more content we have on our site, the better off we are, as well as getting to rank for specific keywords for every service that we offer. I'm going to show you what I mean. I'm going to take you here to Ahrefs, and this just gives me an overall breakdown of how you're currently doing on the internet today. As you can see, you're currently getting about 63 people coming to your website every month, which is not a bad number. But when I look here, I see that you've drastically dropped quite a bit. And there's a few factors that play into that. Again, we would love this number to be higher. A lot of the people we work with in your area do have a significantly higher traffic to their website, which is obviously the goal that we would want for you as well. So let's look at UR and DR. UR is directly related to citations. So let me take you to a basic Google search of carpet cleaning Louisville, Kentucky. And the first thing we see here is the Google map or the GMB, right? So these top people on this list are naturally going to get the most clients and business because they're visible, right? Which is what every small business wants. It wants to be seen and in front of as many people as we can. So securing a top spot on this list is going to be crucial. So how do we get there? It's by adding citations, and a citation is anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number show up on some sort of online directory. So think Yelp or Yellow Pages. I do have the ability to see how many your competition has to know how many you would need to beat, because upon beating that number, you would secure a top position on this ranking. And I'm happy to talk to you about that if that's something you want to talk further about, okay? In doing so, you're going to drive this UR number up. Now, why is this important? Google loves these 2 numbers to be as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible. So with that said, getting both of these numbers driven up are going to create a lot of stability for you on that Google platform. So this DR is directly related to backlinks and referring domains. And as you can see, you don't have a ton of referring domains, and of that, we really want to up this number of do follow links. So a backlink is anywhere that your business website is available and linkable on another business's website. So think Angie's List or HomeAdvisor.com. Getting good quality backlinks and referring domains that are trusted by Google and have a lot of traffic are going to throw a lot of influence toward your website, which is going to cause this DR number to go up. And again, we want to maintain these in a 1-to-1 ratio, so getting this DR to go up is going to be significant for creating a lot of stability for you, okay? And lastly, let's talk about these keywords here that you're ranking for. If we go in here and look, you are ranking on page 1 for your business name, but beyond that, you are on page 2 and beyond. And what we know from this day and age is that people on page 1 typically get the most business. Why? Because most people these days don't like to put in a search criteria and then dig around and search for people within that criteria. They usually look at the people at the top, the people that are rated highest, have the most reviews, and go with them. So getting you in those top positions are what these aspects are going to bring you. So again, get some more keywords put into that text on your website, separate every service page into its own page, put content and keywords on each page, as well as get good quality backlinks and get a ton more citations to get to the top of that GMB, and you will be locked in at a #1 position. Well, I hope this was good information for you guys. If you don't mind, send me a quick email telling me your thoughts about this video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.